Hi students, my name is Dr. Surendra, and this time I thought to do a lecture series on thermodynamics and whom to watch. See, I'm not going to do a detailed discussions on the thermodynamics. What I'm going to do in the lecture series is take few concepts of the thermodynamics which seems to be more confusing. So I'll approach through a problem solving so that the things will be more intuitive. And just like if you have some basic background of thermodynamics, and the thing is I'm going to take over a few concepts like the first law, second law, and the concepts of these kind of entropies and how to apply the concepts of this whatever we have learned into the problem solving approach, because as long as we don't solve the problem we may not able to understand what is the concept of the thermodynamics. Even when I was doing my BTech stage, and maybe I'm also too confused with this concept of thermodynamics. With growing experience, I have learned a few tips and tricks so that you can understand in a more beautiful way. And with this, I am going to start my concept videos on thermodynamics from the next lecture. And thank you for your support, as you have supported me well with my previous 3 lecture series. Example, mechanical unit operations, chemical reaction engineering, as well as process plant operator training. Okay, this has gone deeper into the students. And with the motivation you have given, I thought to start this lecture series on thermodynamics. And please encourage and thank you, and let us meet in the new lecture. Signing off.